Hello everyone, my name is Pooja and welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss last three stanzas of the poem Going Downhill on a Bicycle. And if you want to listen the explanation of the first three stanzas, you can go to the link given in the description. In first three stanzas, we have read that poet was riding his bicycle downhill and he was feeling like a bird. He had not need to pedal at all. His cycle was darting itself. So the poet asked his heart. The poet is asking his heart that there was nothing in this world. There was nothing in this world who can give us a beautiful pleasure, the pleasure which is full of bliss. The pleasure of riding a bicycle is more than, is greater than the pleasure of the skating. The poet is saying that when a child uses skate shoes which are made of steel, then the feet of a child are stuck to the ground only. But during the journey of the poet himself, he was on the bicycle. He just lift his feet in the air and can enjoy the thrill of flying. In the next stanza, the poet is saying about the speed. The poet is talking about the speed. Speed slackens now, I float a while in my airy boat. So in this stanza, poet wants to say that nothing is permanent in this world. One has to stop his enjoyment after a while. As he was riding the bicycle very fastly, the speed of the cycling was very fast, but when he came near the foot of the hill, he had to reduce the speed of the bicycle. He had to bring his feet back to the pedal to balance it. And now, after the experience of floating in the airy boat, the poet is saying that he was actually floating in the airy boat. And so after the taking the experience of floating in the airy boat, he had to exert again for the next pleasure. So with the efforts which he had made, and he had enjoyed the pleasure given for them, now to gain the new pleasure he will have to exert again for the next. So the message which poet wants to convey us in this stanza, that continuity should be there in making efforts. If one wants to enjoy the pleasure again and again, he will have to make efforts again and again. That's what the poet wants to say us. Alas, that the longest hill must end in a vale, but still, who climbs with toil wheresoever shall find wings waiting there. Moving to the last stanza of the poem, which contains the real message of the poem. The poet was feeling sad. Actually, he was feeling sad when his flight came to an end, though he learned a lesson from his journey that the highest hill will have to come in a valley only. The highest hill will have to come to his end on to a valley only. If you want to enjoy the back riding from the hill, you will have to go to make efforts of going upwards. who climbs with toil soever. It means if you want to enjoy the down riding, then you will have to make efforts, you will have to work hard to go upwards to the hill. Only after working hard in the life, the fruit of success is available to enjoy, and one can use the wings of success to fly in the sky. Thank you.